Okay, now we're going to look at the bones of the arm. Okay. This is a humerus, Humerus, and you'll notice this is the head of the humerus. It goes medial because it's going to fit into your little arm socket, and it goes proximal. It's closest to the point of attachment. Okay. Notice this is the posterior view or the back view. Of the humerus, and we know it because of this right here. You've got that little divot there. You can actually stick your finger in it. Once you find that, you know that's the back. You know this round part goes up and toward your body. So in this case, this would be a right humerus. Okay. This bumpy part right here, this goes medial as well. And you can feel the inside of your arm, and that actually is what we often call our elbow. Okay, over here, this bone here is our ulna, and you'll notice the ulna has this scoop, and the scoop kind of looks like a U. So the scoop looks like a U, U for ulna. That's how we know that the bone with the big old scoop on it is the ulna. This scoop grabs on right here and makes your elbow. Okay, so the scoop is proximal, and the ulna runs in line with your pinky. Remember? Ulna, pinky spells up, or PU because it stinks. I don't know. Figure out a way to remember that. So the ulna and the pinky are medial. Okay, with that in mind, this little process here, this is called the styloid process of the ulna, and it is medial. You can feel what we call our wrist. You can feel that bone sticking out. Here on this side, we have the radius. The radius goes in line with your thumb. Okay. This is also called the styloid process, but it is the styloid process of your radius, and it goes lateral. When you feel the outside of your arm, right above your thumb, you can feel that bump right there. Okay. This top of the radius is flat. Okay, and we don't necessarily call it top, we call it superior, or the proximal end of the radius is flat. All right, also, right here in the front of the radius, or anterior, there's a bump that will tell you front and back of the radius. So when you look at the first thing you see is, oh, this is a skinny arm bone, it's flat, so it has to be the radius. The flat goes to the top, this pointy part goes down, distal, and this pointy part goes to the outside or to the lateral. Okay, and this bump is in front. So once we find top, bottom, and front, you should be able to tell if it's a right if it's a right radius or a left radius. Top, bottom, and front.